So I just did this 25-minute bike ride from home to work on this lovely Wednesday London morning in June. And I'm like, nice heat wave we've had so far. That's what I appreciate about England. It definitely can flop from hot to cold. The reason why I'm walking here is because the birds were calling me. I haven't heard birds tweet and sing like this for a while. And it reminded me of when I was in St. Lucia in May. And the birds will just come up to you and sing. But you won't guess what park this is. In SE, London. I wish there was a bench right there in that park. I'll just sit down and chill. And let's just have a little walk. And hear the birds more. As I said, they were calling me. I feel like something is calling me. I feel like it's something so deep. Look at that tree. Who can it be? Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. This kind voice. Yeah. Ooh, this kind voice. And we're back to work. Back to life. Back to reality. Feeling my little afro ponytail. It's making me think I need another bike ride in the park later, perhaps. Anyway, like I said, back to life, back to reality. On Friday, this Friday I'll be at Brixton Recreation Centre. Nearby there, SW9, the Best of Both Boutique. Be singing there. Let me send the details.
Hey my beautiful peeps, what is good? Hear what though, yeah? Summer Madness at Best of Both Boutique. Late night shopping event. So there's no excuses, yeah? None! I want to see each and every